In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, hope restored for a senior couple from St. Andrew who have been living in squalor for over 20 years. With that story, here's Kian Morgan.
Tears of joy on the face of 70-year-old Hyacinth Williams. She's emotional because she has been living her golden years in squalor, but in the nick of time, a silver lining. Before now, this house buried beneath shrubs in Wilmarnie Terrace off Old Stony Hill Road in St. Andrew was where Mrs. Williams and her husband Wilbert lived for over 2 decades. The two met after Hyacinth, who worked as a nurse for almost 50 years in the UK, was deported to Jamaica after living in that country since she was 10 years old.
I don't have anything. It is very hard for me.
Take time get duckants and insect and things. So it just take time and get back.
On the inside, it's hard to distinguish trash from treasures. And above their heads, a ticking time bomb. As the stability of this roof remains questionable, worried for their safety, Mrs. Williams reached out to folks at the Jamaica Restorative Breakthrough Ministries seeking urgent help.
It is a deplorable condition. No human being in Jamaica, much less a senior couple, should be living in this condition. And of course, when we checked, there was no family, no children, nobody who could really provide that help. And we decided, listen, as a church, we have to come together.
Along with volunteers from the community, church members were able to clear the shrubs, fix the roof, paint the exterior, and renovate the inside. The couple also received new appliances and other household items.
I grow in a country community and we always join hands and heart to help in the community, to help each and every one.
Mrs. Williams also got an upgrade.
I feel happy that I could lay down in my house and not have to get no water on me.
Reverend Mark Stewart preaches the importance of being your brother's keeper.
In a community where there are massive house structures around, it really saddens me. And if we could do more as community, as government, as entities like church and other business entities to look out for these kind of people in our community who are desperately in need.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.